Hey guys, I'm the math professor, Kyle Martin, and in this video we're going to talk about what is and isn't a function. So if you remember our definition up here, I kept it up from my last video. It's a relation in which every input, every single input, or we're going to learn today that's our x values, has exactly one output, output being our y values. Okay, so let's take a look at these two examples. We have a couple ordered pairs. This first one, we have the ordered pair 0, 1, 0, 2, and 0, 3. Okay, so my domain for this are my x values. If you think x, 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 y, 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 my x values, I just have a bunch of zeros. Since there's repeated ones, I can only just say 0. And remember, this is a set. The domain is a set, so you put your curly brackets around that. The domain is 0. Our range is just 1, 2, 3. Again, those are in increasing order, 1, 2, 3. Again, they get set notation around those ones. So is this a function? No, it is not, because our inputs have more than one output. We can only have one. We have to have exactly one output. So if I had 0 going to 1, I cannot have 0 going to anything else in this function. So this is not a function. All right, what about our second case over here? Our second one, we have -3, 7, 4, 2, and 6, 2. So our domain for this one, if I do it in increasing order, -3, 4, 6, -3, 4, 6, put my curly brackets around there. My range, I have two numbers, 7 and 2. 2 is repeated, but I'm only going to write it once. Again, do it from increasing to, or from least to greatest, and increasing value there. So we have 2 and 7. Again, those get the brackets. All right. So is this one a function? Yes, this one is a function because every input has exactly one output. Now you'll notice that the 4 and the 6, the two x's here, have the same output, but that's okay. All right. It's the stipulation is on the input, not the output. So if I had my input going to the same or to different outputs that were the same input, that'd be bad. But this one here, since there's two different inputs going to the same output, that is okay. So is this one a function? Yes.